Grouping data based on percentile provides insight into how each value compares to the whole. We have a list of student scores. We can separate them and group them based on percentile using the QUARTILE.INC function. Quartile is statistics that summarizes the distribution of data. They refer to the boundary values when the data is divided into 4 parts. Each quartile separates 25% or 1/4 of the data. The Excel Quartile.INC function returns a requested quartile of a supplied range of values based on a percentile range of 0 to 1. Here is the syntax. Array, the range of data values for which you want to calculate the specified quartile. Quart indicates which quartile to return, an integer between 0 and 4. These values are returned based on the quart parameter. 1. First quartile, 25th percentile. 2. Second quartile, 50th percentile. 3. Third quartile, 75th percentile. 4. Fourth quartile, 100th percentile, and is equal to the maximum value in the range. For example, we want to group scores into 4 groups. Group 1, top 25% equal to or greater than 75%. Group 2 equal to or greater than 50% and less than 75%. Group 3 equal to or greater than 25% and less than 50%. Group 4 less than 25%. Use this formula to calculate the quartiles. The array argument is the range B2 to B13. The quart argument uses the expression 5 minus row of G1. In G2, it returns 4 for the max value. When copied to G3, G1 reference changes to G2 and 3 is returned for the 75th percentile. Copy the formula down. Use the match function to find the group into which the value falls. Use this formula. Lookup array is the quartile data we calculated. Since the quartile data is in descending order, the last argument in the match function is -1. Match returns the position in the list where the value is found but stops when the next value is less than the lookup value. When matching 75, match sees that the third value 73.5 is less than the lookup value and stops at the second position and returns 2. Copy the formula down. The data is separated into 4 groups. The top 25, which are greater than or equal to the 75th percentile, are grouped into group 1 and so on. You can also use the Xlookup function. Enter groups in H2 to H5. Use this formula. Pass B2 for lookup value. Pass the quartiles as the lookup array. Pass the groups as the return array. Pass the match mode as 1 to return the exact or the next largest. Xlookup looks for the value 75 and does not find it. It finds the next highest 80 and returns the group associated with that. Copy the formula down. To download practice Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.